How to recall an email on Outlook. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we're going to see a message that you've sent on Outlook and how to recall it. So the first thing you want to do is find the email that you've sent. Now, if you are using a new Outlook, I haven't found a way to recall any messages from the new Outlook, but you can do it via the classic Outlook. So just find the message over here. Let's say I want to recall this message or this email. I want to head over to the View tab, and right beside its Help, then you'll have this option to go to Classic Outlook. Tap on it. And then from here, you basically have to scroll down. It will ask you for a feedback, but I'll just skip it for now. And then it's gonna run the Classic Outlook. So I just go ahead and tap on Open it up. Once your Classic Outlook opens up, you want to go to the message or email that you want to recall. In most of the cases, you'll find the option right beside Move, but if you don't see it, you're going to have to go to this three dots at the top right corner, click on it, and then go to Actions. Hover your mouse over it and you'll find this recall this message option. Just click on it. Now you can either delete the unread copies of this message or delete the unread copies and replace it with a new message. Now select your option, tap on OK, and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys in the next one.